Hello, everybody. Welcome to the topic reminder. The content of this topic are determiners, pronouns, prepositions, and types of sentences. Part 1 Determiners. Determiners acts as adjunct. It pre-modifies the noun and shows itself as a noun. For example, few people realize. Those few who do realize. The first sentence, few acts as adjective. In the second sentence, few acts as noun but those acts as adjective. Few examples of determiners are listed below. Part 2 Pronouns. Pronouns are the functors that correlates with the noun or nominal segment. I, she, he, we, they are some pronouns that subjects with formal styles, complements and forms. Me, him, her, us, them are some pronouns that objects or in phrases. It and you can be used in all situations. 4 classifications of pronoun according to their features. Whom, who, which, that. This is applied in clauses and it has the possibilities of transpositions. It acts as 3 things, that is pronouns, subordinators and interrogatives. It acts as pronoun due to its nominal segment. It acts as subordinator due to the clause. It acts as interrogatives due to the question forms. Any, neither, either, few, this, that, these, those, all, some, none. All these sometimes acts as the determiner and sometimes as the pronoun. That is, for example, any will, some will, they will, this will, that will, neither will, either will, and so on. Mine, his, her, ours, yours, theirs. For example, this is mine and that is yours. Pronominal forms of pronouns. There are 2 uses with pronominal forms of pronouns, that is reflexive and intensifying. Reflexive pronouns acts as the object. For example, he cut himself while shaving. Here, himself is the object. Then the second one, intensifying. It has 2 functions, that is adverbial and adjectival. Part 3 Prepositions. Prepositions precedes nominal segments or pronoun of the form. It is usually used in phrases formation. They exhibit double or even triple functions. Me, him, her, it, us, you, them. These are some pronouns that are used in phrases. After, before, for, till, and so on. These are acting as subordinators. Given, own up, carry on. Here, the second words in, on, up are not the prepositions but the part of the verb. There are many compound prepositions in English. For example, due to, instead of, by means of, and so on. Climb means a kind of prepositions that blends with nominal segment. For example, he acted in accordance with his instruction. Here, in is the adverbial form and his instruction is the adjectival form. Fourth part is type of sentences. There are 2 common bases. The first one is based on grammatical sentence pattern. Based on grammatical sentence pattern, there are 5 types of sentences, that is SI, SIC, STO, STO2, STOC. First, SI means subject and intransitive verb. SIC refers to subject plus intransitive verb plus complement. STO refers subject plus transitive verb plus direct object. STOC refers subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus complement. STO2 refers subject plus transitive verb plus indirect object. Based on the word sentences in the book, there are 2 types, that is relational and predicative. Relational comes under recounts, narrates and reports. The sentence patterns of relational are SI, STO, STO2O, STOC. And predicative comes under assets of affairs, existence, alleged truth. The sentence patterns are SIC and passive voice. Relational. It gives an account of human history, true or false, fact and fiction. Verbal groups of these relational parts are objective. For example, I waited in the rain. He is mowing the land. Verbal part is used as operator that will be replaced. Example, he is mowing the lawn. Here, mowing change as by mows. Predicative. Verbal replacement occurs. Part of verb is the head of the verb. For example, definitions and passive voices. In sometimes there is head of the verb in the sentence, but that's not the part of the verb. Example, few marginal sentences. Verb forms can be changed if the pattern is X is or was Y, which can be changed as Y is or was X. For example, Gladstone is the Prime Minister. Reverse it, the Prime Minister is Gladstone. Socrates is wise. Here, wise is adjectival in form and it is turned into complement. There are certain formulas for predicative form. Sentence formulas of predicative form is based on two kinds, that is, existence of representation and existence of facts. First one, existence of representation. It is or was. The continuing sentence, there is or was or were. The continuing sentence. Existence of facts. It is obviously that, it is clear that, it is well known that, and there is no doubt about that. Thank you.